Okay, so my short time here on Android has been fun. It's been smooth. And honestly, it hasn't taken that much adjusting to. It was pretty plug and play in terms of understanding it, using the device. But I think that's because I haven't really dove into Android and really pushed the customization limits that it allows you to do. I've been pretty vanilla in terms of the way that I've set this S25 Ultra up. That being said, I mean, it works for me. It really does. And it has done everything that I need it to do as a device, and it's been a great device. But I've gotten a lot of good tips from you guys in the comments, and I've actually applied a handful of them to my device. So it got me to thinking, what if I did a video where I had you guys build my Android phone? So that's what today's video is about, is basically rolling out the red carpet for you guys, setting you up and allowing you to have a place to comment your suggestions and build out this Android phone. So here's what I want. I want what you guys use on your Android phones and what makes your life easier, what you like about your phone, and what you think would also make my life easier as well. I want recommendations for visual customization, launchers, icon packs, wallpaper apps, what kind of widgets I need to use, themes and different fonts, utility apps, apps that enhance phone functionality like file managers, clipboard managers, such and such, camera apps as well, things that are going to optimize my battery performance, things that are going to kind of automate the phone, maybe gestures, things like that. I want the full power of Android to be utilized in this setup. I'm new to Android, so I know very little, but you guys have had just a plethora of knowledge in things that you've suggested for me to use. So I basically want every little thing that you can think of. Go ahead and put it in the comments below. Anything that is going to help enhance, or something that's just completely crazy or just really cool, put it in the comments below. And we're gonna do my best to apply as many as I can. The comments with the most likes are most likely to get chosen, but if it just sounds like a useful feature, I'm going to try to implement it for the follow-up video. Keep in mind, I will be doing this for my Galaxy S25 Ultra as well as the Nothing Phone 3. I get that, I think, tomorrow. So I'll be using that phone as well. So if you have specific Nothing Phone OS things that can be implemented, please put those in the comments below as well. The idea is that I'm going to apply as many of these as I can, so I switch up my workflow as much as possible. Once I finally have the setup built, I'm going to document my experience using it for at least a week, comparing the before and after of how I set it up versus how you guys had me set it up, and then see if anything sticks at the end of it all. That's what's going to be really exciting about this whole project, is not only am I getting to interact with you guys on a more closer level, but also just the sheer amount that I'm going to learn about the Android system. There's really no timeline for the follow-up video. I'm going to let this video get hopefully as much interaction as it can before I actively start recording the follow-up, but I'd imagine within the next month or so, I should have something put together. So with all that being said, guys, put your recommendations in the comments below. Like other comments that you think are good ideas, and help me fully unlock the power and capabilities of Android. But that is going to do it for this one, guys. Thanks so much for watching this video. But of course, that is enough watching, enough consuming. Get out there and create something yourself. Get down in the comments and post those suggestions. I'll see you all in the next video.